Residential window replacement in Anthem AZ delivers immediate comfort, value, and efficiency with modern solutions designed for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows Anthem residents can rely on in the desert climate. Homeowners looking for energy-efficient windows Anthem AZ, window replacement Anthem Arizona, and residential window installers in Anthem can upgrade to vinyl replacement windows, double-pane windows, triple-pane windows in Anthem Arizona, and low-E glass windows that help reduce heat gain and improve indoor comfort. For new windows for homes in Anthem AZ, custom replacement windows, custom-fit replacement windows, and new construction-style windows provide a precise fit, cleaner appearance, and stronger performance for Anthem residential window replacement and house window upgrade Anthem AZ projects. Energy-saving window upgrades are especially important in the Phoenix North Valley energy-efficient windows market, where solar heat reduction windows Anthem AZ and draft-free window solutions help lower cooling costs. Low-E window installation Anthem AZ, argon gas insulated windows, insulated glass replacement Anthem, and thermal window replacement all support better temperature control in homes across North Phoenix area. Window replacement, Cave Creek window replacement services, and home window replacement near Anthem AZ. Pairing house window ceiling with insulated window glass and weatherproof windows Anthem creates durable performance and long-term savings for premium energy-saving windows Anthem. Replacement window installation in Anthem AZ can also improve noise control, UV defense, and curb appeal, making energy-efficient windows Anthem homeowners prefer an ideal upgrade for long-term comfort and performance. Whether choosing casement replacement windows, awning windows, slider windows, picture windows, bay window replacement, or bow window installation, homeowners benefit from vinyl windows Anthem AZ and Anthem AZ replacement windows that combine style and efficiency. Residential glass replacement Anthem and insulated glass replacement Anthem are ideal for aging frames, while home window retrofit services support a cost-effective upgrade path for energy-efficient home windows Anthem. Window contractors Anthem Arizona offer solutions tailored to local homes, from triple-pane windows in Anthem Arizona to double-pane window replacement Anthem and modern energy-efficient windows that perform in intense sun and seasonal temperature swings. For Anthem AZ replacement windows, energy-efficient windows Anthem AZ, and home window upgrade Anthem AZ projects, residential glass replacement Anthem and custom replacement windows Anthem provide lasting results. Whether the need is residential window replacement, windows in Anthem, or vinyl replacement windows for a full remodel, Anthem residential window replacement and window contractors Anthem Arizona deliver reliable, efficient, and attractive results for every home. Energy-efficient windows Anthem AZ deliver immediate comfort and long-term savings for homes in the desert climate. Window solutions Anthem homeowners need most. With modern energy-efficient windows, solar heat reduction windows Anthem AZ, and draft-free window solutions, your home stays cooler in summer and more consistent year-round. The right energy-saving window upgrades also support lower utility bills, better indoor comfort, and improved curb appeal across Anthem Arizona, the North Phoenix area, and Phoenix North Valley energy-efficient windows markets. Homeowners looking for energy-efficient windows Anthem, premium energy-saving windows Anthem, and energy-efficient home windows Anthem can benefit from upgraded glazing, better frames, and professional installation. Residential window replacement in Anthem Arizona is one of the most effective upgrades for improving comfort, value, and efficiency. Whether you need window replacement Anthem Arizona, Anthem AZ replacement windows, or home window replacement near Anthem AZ, choosing the right product matters. Vinyl replacement windows, vinyl windows Anthem AZ, and custom replacement windows Anthem are popular because they balance durability and performance. For many homes, residential window installers in Anthem recommend low-E glass windows, argon gas insulated windows, and insulated window glass to reduce heat transfer and help maintain a more stable indoor temperature throughout the year. Replacement window installation should be matched to the style and function of each opening for the best results. Casement replacement windows, awning windows, slider windows, picture windows, bay window replacement, and bow window installation each bring different advantages for airflow, views, and efficiency. New construction-style windows can also be adapted for retrofits when structural conditions allow. For Anthem residential window replacement projects, homeowners often choose custom-fit replacement windows to ensure a tight seal, smooth operation, and a clean finish that supports house window sealing and long-term performance. Double-pane windows and triple-pane windows in Anthem, Arizona are top choices for homeowners who want serious energy efficiency. Double-pane window replacement Anthem installations can significantly reduce heat gain and heat loss, while triple-pane windows in Anthem, Arizona offer an even stronger thermal barrier. When combined with low-E window installation Anthem AZ, these systems help create modern energy-efficient windows that perform well in the intense Arizona sun. For new windows for homes in Anthem AZ, insulated glass replacement Anthem and thermal window replacement are also smart options for aging frames and damaged seals. Noise-reducing windows are a valuable upgrade for homes near busy roads, commercial areas, or active neighborhoods in Anthem, Cave Creek, and the North Phoenix area. Soundproof replacement windows Arizona can help limit exterior noise while also improving thermal performance and UV protection. UV-blocking windows are especially useful in bright desert conditions, where sunlight can fade flooring, furniture, and window treatments. Residential glass replacement. Anthem services often include insulated glass replacement Anthem and low-E glass windows that provide both sound control and solar management for better everyday comfort. Window contractors Anthem, Arizona often recommend weatherproof windows Anthem for homeowners dealing with seasonal temperature swings, dust, and strong sun exposure. A proper home window retrofit can improve sealing, reduce drafts, and extend the life of the opening without unnecessary full-frame replacement in every case. House window upgrade. Anthem AZ projects frequently include frame inspection, house window sealing, and assessment of existing insulated window glass to determine whether installation or full replacement offers the best return. With the right installation, draft-free window solutions can dramatically improve performance in Anthem AZ homes. Energy-efficient windows Anthem AZ are especially effective when selected for specific room needs and exposure levels. South-facing rooms may benefit from solar heat reduction windows Anthem AZ, while bedrooms and offices often perform best with noise-reducing windows or triple-pane windows. Kitchens and bathrooms may be ideal for awning windows, while living rooms commonly feature picture windows or bay window replacement for enhanced natural light. Residential glass replacement. Anthem and custom replacement windows Anthem allow homeowners to tailor each room for function, style, and energy savings across Anthem residential window replacement projects. Vinyl windows Anthem AZ remain a strong choice for homeowners wanting low maintenance, dependable performance, and attractive pricing. Compared with older materials, vinyl replacement windows can resist warping, reduce upkeep, and support better energy efficiency when paired with double-pane windows, low-E glass windows, and argon gas insulated windows. For homeowners focused on residential window replacement in the North Phoenix area or Cave Creek window replacement services, these products can support both comfort and resale value. Energy-efficient windows Anthem and premium energy-saving windows Anthem continue to be among the most requested upgrades. Residential window installers in Anthem can help identify the best combination of style, performance, and budget for each property. From double-pane replacement Anthem and insulated glass replacement Anthem to custom replacement windows Anthem and new construction-style windows, the right solution depends on your home's age, layout, and exposure. Window contractors. Anthem, Arizona also serve nearby communities such as Cave Creek and Phoenix North Valley, offering window replacement services that support energy-efficient windows Anthem AZ, weatherproof windows Anthem, and long-lasting thermal window replacement results for Arizona homeowners seeking dependable improvement through energy-efficient windows Anthem homeowners can trust for lasting comfort and efficiency.